pulled pork hash with apples. Very hot, right? No touch. Thank you. Oops, we missed. Oh, you want to give that one to it too? Careful, careful. Boop, boop, boop. Can you hand me some more? Can you hand me some more apples? Thank you. Oh, that was in your mouth? I'll eat that one. How about some of those apples over there? Thank you. Put them in, right? Can I have more? More? You have more? Can Mommy have some? No, I want the ones over there. Those ones.